The new Hyundai Tucson in the UK is now only available with the 1.6 turbo engine for all versions, including the self-charging hybrid and plug-in hybrid. They all use the same G4FP engine with some modifications for hybrid powertrains, but basically the engine is identical and will most likely have the same common issues over time. But I will mostly focus on a non-hybrid powertrain. So this is a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that belongs to the new Smart Stream family. The engine is equipped with pretty complicated CVVD technology, which stands for Continuously Variable Valve Duration. This is a system that changes intake valve timing for better performance and emission efficiency, but it's only been used since 2020, so no one basically knows how durable it is and how expensive it can be to repair at high mileage. The timing system is driven by the chain that is claimed to be there for the entire lifespan. The power is not extraordinary for a quite big and heavy Tucson model, it's just 150 horsepower. But what's good in this engine is the torque. It's not only quite high at 250 Newton meters, but it's also available at very low RPM, starting at 1500 and up to 4000. So within this range of RPMs, you are going to get access to full torque, which makes the Tucson quite pleasant to drive in almost all road conditions. Now, when it comes to common problems, we can only rely on the experience with the same family of engines, but not exactly this turbo engine in the Tucson, since there are just a few cars with relatively high mileage all over Europe. As I've already said, the CVVD system looks very complicated and hard to repair, so it may become a serious issue for high mileage cars. But as of now, I don't know about any cases of CVVD failure, which is good. Also, there is a good video about how CVVD works at the Engineering Explained channel, so you may watch it to get a proper understanding of what this system does. Also in 2020, Hyundai started using a new turbocharger type for their Smart Stream engine, and now the turbo seems to be better. It may start leaking oil if you use high viscosity materials, so 0W20 oil seems to be the only good choice for these engines. Of course, Hyundai keeps using direct injection in its best engines, so the intake valves may get carbon buildup and require cleaning after 40-50,000 miles, but this seems to be happening now only with cars that drive in stop-and-go traffic most of the time. Driving on highways seems to clean the valves by heating up the engine properly. The good sign is that we haven't heard yet about timing chain issues, but still I doubt that this chain will last forever. Unfortunately, replacing the chain here will cost you a fortune. So in my opinion, the 1.6 turbo engine in the Tucson is pretty good. It offers wonderful fuel efficiency and doesn't show any early common faults to be concerned about. Also, it's good to drive, even though it only offers 150 horsepower. Overall, the engine seems to be much better than the previous generation of small GDI and T-GDI engines in Hyundai and Kia cars.